Logged in right now downtown Lafayette. Purdue University Airport reporting visibility of a quarter mile as an ice cold ground is being covered by air that's in the 50s, causing the moisture to condense and clouds to form right at ground level. And that's called advection fog. Notice the visibility at Frankfort, a quarter mile. It's dropped below a quarter mile at the Cass County Airport and the Fulton County Airport. They're at Rochester, just east of Rochester. Visibility at a half mile. Now, I think these visibilities will actually improve a little bit overnight because the winds are going to start to kick up a lot. So it may be really foggy this evening up to as late as 11 midnight, and then it will start to get better. What will also get better will be the temperatures. In fact, our temperature will rise overnight. We're at a 54 by 8 and 59 degrees at 6 a.m. Our average low is in the teens for this time of year as record warmth overspreads the area. Tomorrow, low to mid 60s with a lot of wind. And then rain and storms, a lot of them tomorrow night, even a line of storms with the threat for some flooding in the area, followed by another Arctic blast as this roller coaster pattern rolls on around here. These are the numbers at 7 a.m. 59 Lafayette tomorrow, 59 Romney, 60 at Pine Village, and 54 at Rochester, 57 at Frankfort. And highs tomorrow, low to mid 60s, record-breaking warmth, 64 Lafayette, 62 at Rochester, 64 Monticello, 65 Lafayette, and even Covington and Kingman, 66 degrees. It would cool off Wednesday. These highs will be early in the day, then slowly fall. We're talking upper 30s, Rensselaer to Fowler, 40 Lafayette, 42 Frankfort, 44 at Kokomo with a lot of wind to boot. Tremendous wind dynamics, very strong winds aloft up in the atmosphere, taking these clouds and kind of shredding them and blowing the tops off of them. Shows you the upper level winds are strong, and also there's another core of strong winds upstairs that will pivot around, and with the moisture coming out of the Gulf of Mexico and a strong storm system developing in the plains, severe weather, some up our way, but a lot down south, snow north of our area and some flooding in our area and nearby. This is a very spring-like storm. Notice on Futurecast tomorrow morning, again, some fog tonight, some drizzle, patchy rain. Tomorrow, just a few passing scattered showers, perhaps a thunderstorm, though coverage is only going to be around 30%. But as we get into tomorrow night, the rain and a few storms increasing. And this is a narrow squall line of storms that will pass through overnight tomorrow night and early Wednesday morning. Could have a few sporadic severe wind gusts with it. Maybe a little lingering rain the early half of Wednesday, and then we may have a few flurries or scattered light snow showers once we get into Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. So as we get into certainly, I would say tomorrow night, overnight, and early Wednesday morning, pretty much Monticello, Medaryville to Darlington and westward, there could be a few sporadic severe wind gusts up to 58, 60 miles an hour, and rainfall easily 1 to 2 inches from this, but I wouldn't rule out a couple locations getting over 2, maybe 3, 1.38 Lafayette, inch and a half at Fowler, and then the Arctic blast blows on in. Once we get to Thursday, check out the 7-day forecast, 22 degrees Thursday, 18 Friday, and they warm up a little bit, some